How to edit a Facebook page description. First of all, go ahead and open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be brought to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Menu. Then, go to your profile. Now, tap on the edit icon at the top right corner. Scroll down to the Bio section and tap on Edit beside it. Then, tap on Edit Bio. Type in a bio over here and then tap on Save at the top. You have now successfully added a bio to your profile. Go back to your profile page to view it. Following these steps, you can easily edit a Facebook page description. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.